Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Blooket website where you can log in by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and using your credentials. Now once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you can simply click on the history button at the bottom left corner. This will then take you into your Blooket history where you will be shown all of your game history. Now since I have not played or hosted any game, there are no history to display. But within this page, you will be able to simply click on the delete button at the side of each content or click on the clear history button and then you will get a warning whether you are sure that you want to clear your history. Simply proceed with clicking on the yes button and then your history will be cleared. Just make sure that you want to clear your history for sure and then proceed with the steps that are mentioned earlier. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your history on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.